Hello friends, I am Sandeep Kumar and today I am showing a video on how to draw a bar chart diagram. So the requirements for this drawing a bar chart diagram is firstly you have to install the laravel framework and next copy this code. Next is a javascript file. So I am providing here link. This is canvasjs.com. You will find all this javascript code. So first of all, copy this code into a notepad file and paste it here and save it any name you like. So I am saving this file with the canvasjs.min.js. So the file has been saved. So firstly I will show you an example. See, this is an example of the bar chart diagram I am showing you all here, and I will show you how to draw this bar chart diagram. Pretty simple, very easy. And this is a script, code to draw this bar chart diagram. So here I have used statics.blade.php. In this blade.php, it is a very flexible to write any kind of code in the Laravel framework. Of course, you all know. And coming into this topic, and firstly loading the script file .js, just now which have saved, and under firstly I will show the root path. Under the public folder, create a js folder name and save this .js file into this js, and write a script tag and write the path here and write a script code, and I'm showing a script code is this window.onload is equals to function, and it contains all the content and data over here. Firstly it loads all this data, and in which next it contains next is a where chart is an variable initializing with an id chart container, which is referencing from here or vice versa. And next it contains the title and data. Title is used to display the title over here. This is the title. Graph of total amount of orders is the title I have written here. And data which is used to draw the graph, which will require to draw the graph, and this is the data. So I'm executing this bar chart diagram in dynamically, and statically you can also execute this bar chart diagram. Here in comment line I'm showing this is an static data which you can execute bar chart diagram for to know how it is executing. So this is the php. Under the php code, this is the logic. I am retrieving the data from the database. So pages controller.php is a controller file in which you will find the code, the data which I am retrieving from the database. Dollar data is an variable. I am storing the order and amount. This order and amount is the two columns in the database under the order table, and I'm retrieving those order amount and storing into this dollar data and returning with this dollar data to this statics.blade.php. It means from controller page to this static page statics.blade.php, it is returning data here. And next I am using a for each method in which dollar data as dollar rows, in which for this data another name is dollar rows and echo firstly two double quotes. Firstly write double quotes and next flower bracket and next label and here y is the two variables in which it will point. Firstly label, it will write this TV, laptop, mobile, all this on the x-axis, and y is used for writing the data 20,000, 40,000, 60,000, all this. So I'm referencing label and y. So rows arrow order is the first column I have written here, and amount is here. So my retrieving of the data is completed, and at last chart.render is used to is telling that to draw a bar chart on a web page. So chart means this is a variable. This chart is referring to this chart in which it contains all this data, and render means to draw. And at last closing a script tag, and under the body tag I am retrieving, calling this chart container with the id. I am setting a style, height and width. So here I am displaying the bar chart diagram, and the route I have defined is, so this is the route I have defined. So this is the bar chart diagram. So I will show you with an example. Let's take an example is stu is a username, anything username, and stu at the rate gmail.com, and phone number is 123. So I have this is the phone number, and order is TV. Let's take an order is TV, and amount payable is 50,000. So I am submitting this data into the database. So the data has been successfully inserted into the database. Let's check in a statistic link. So this is the TV 50,000, and this is also TV 50,000 which I have loaded. And again I will show you with an example. Let's take kitchen goods with 5,000 amount payable, and data has been loaded into the database. So this is the kitchen which just now have loaded, inserted data into the database. So friends, this is an example. So this is a pretty code easy code, no requirement of another extra files, jQuery, like that. So I will post another video on drawing pie chart or donut diagrams. So please share, subscribe and like my video, in which it will help to many people of your friends, in which so many people are googling how to draw charts using a laravel framework. By using there is a lot of chart diagram providing into the internet. And sorry for my english. Thank you.